It's time for some more immune boosting ideas for meals and a smoothie. Having a healthy immune system may affect you more than you realize. Let's talk about it. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlene. Gary is at the church working right now and will be home soon. Maybe you'll see him later in the video. Just wanted to let you know we're going to be moving back into our home soon. We've got some really consistent warmer weather happening right now, and from what we've heard, it should be staying this way. So hopefully we can be moving back in soon. Today we're going to talk about two really super healthy immune boosting meals. One is a refreshing smoothie, and the other is using frozen leftover chicken and having supper on the table in half an hour using an Instapot. And it's an awesome meal. I started these little immune boosting segments because, first of all, we aren't traveling right now, and I wanted to be able to provide something for you, something useful. And I think a lot of people don't really comprehend how important it is to take care of yourself. Heart disease. Did you know that about 647,000 people die from heart disease every year? And the CDC and the World Health Organization both agree that if people just ate more fruits and vegetables and did more things like exercise and reducing stress and all the things you hear about all the time, but people aren't doing it. It doesn't make any sense. Why wouldn't you want to take care of yourself? So all you hear in the news now is, in the mainstream news, is about a vaccine that's coming, or wash your hands, keep your distance, social distancing, wear masks, all those kinds of things, but they never talk about boosting the immune, and that drives me crazy. So if you haven't seen our video on how to boost your immune system, there's a whole lot of things you can be doing right now that can be protecting you and helping you. And even if you were to get the virus, chances are it might be a mild case if you have a healthy immune system. So let's get started. I'm going to do some food prep with some things that I brought home, some rotisserie chicken that was pre-packaged, and then I'm going to show you how I can make a meal using the frozen chicken for a meal later on. And then I'm going to use some red peppers and some mushrooms, and all of that is prepared ahead of time too. So you got basically a freezer full of things ready to go, and all you have to do is throw them together, and you can have a wonderful meal within half an hour. I'm also going to show you a really refreshing smoothie, and you're going to it's just delish. It's so good, and it's just packed with antioxidants. So let's get started. First, the smoothie. Okay, we went to Costco and we bought this. This is the hand-pulled rotisserie chicken breast meat. The ingredients are so simple. It's just mainly water and some seasonings. It's just really good. And we've had it before, and we can get quite a few meals out of this. This is 2 pounds, 10 ounces. So we can get like, I don't know how many bags. I think probably 5 bags out of this, freezer bags, 5 meals, maybe 6 meals out of this. And then I also bought some mushrooms. I'm going to cut those up, clean them up, cut them up, and put those in the freezer. About maybe 2 servings here. Here's my hand. Whatever fits in the palm of your hand is a serving, so I'm thinking that's about 2 servings right there. Okay, what's for supper tonight? I don't know. I'm just going to throw this all together. Let's see what we come up with. I have some frozen mushrooms that are already chopped up. I have some chopped up frozen red peppers. I have some frozen rotisserie chicken and balsamic vinaigrette and quinoa. What can we put together with this? I'm going to use the Instapot. snow has really been melting off that mountain. There's not a whole lot on there anymore like there was before. There's our house. We'll be moving back into it soon. We've been working on the decals. We've got most of them off except the back. We got to still get those off. But otherwise, the sides, we got the burgundy and the gold off. We got the whole front is clean and done. So we're excited about that. The roof is looking good. Just needs a good bath. I hope you like this video. I hope you try those two things. I think you will really enjoy them. I know some people that don't like to mix their fruits and vegetables and things together in a smoothie, but it really tastes very good, and it's no different than throwing things together into a hot dish. You mix things together in that, right? It's very good, and it's just a great way to start your day, is having a smoothie like that, or even for a snack in the middle of the day sometime. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. And next to it, a little bell will pop up. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified every time new videos come up. If you don't subscribe and you don't ring the bell, you won't know. Check out our Facebook page for other features. And until next time, God bless.